Welcome back to 60 Seconds, where tonight Peacock will be running us through tonight's top story.
Hi, I'm Peacock. We are doing a special investigation into birds who choose wisdom and those who don't. First, let's see what the elder birds think. Yeah?
Go.
First, we meet with elder birds Bethel and Geraldine. What is the disagreement between you and the younger birds?
Well, it is simple. We show respect to our native trees, so if we don't have any branches, we will lose them.
I'm here with the famous Silly Billy and Funny Sunny.
The name's Billy.
Okay, well why are you ignoring the elders' advice so much?
I want to have fun. You know, it's all about having fun this day and age. Don't want to be stuck with tradition, you know.
And Sunny Funny?
They don't know what they're talking about. We're free, we're not in a cage. We just want to have fun.
Tonight we've seen two different paths, one of chaos and one of respect. Which will you choose? Back to you, Todd.